I am Ayush Kumar from Defensi Global LLP. I am here to discuss some of the benefits that have been given to the GST taxpayers by the government through Union Budget 2024 and the GST Council meetings. First benefit is that for the financial year 17-18, 18-19, 19-20 and 2021, any taxpayers can claim ITC that have been availed by the any return filed up till 30th November 2021. This is going to help many taxpayers against whom notices have been issued for the financial year 17-18, 18-19, 19-20 and 2021. Now comes to the benefit number 2. Benefit number 2 is that in case of cancellation of registration, there was no input available to them. But if you have filed your returns within 30 days from the revocation of cancellation order, then you can claim the input that was previously required to be claimed. Benefit number 3 is that tax collected at source rate that is to be deducted by the electronic commerce operators has been changed from 0.5% to 0.25%. Benefit number 4. Section 107 have been amended that the maximum amount for pre-deposit have been reduced from 25 crores to 20 crores in case of appeals to appellate authority. Benefit number 5. Section 1112 subsection 8 has also been amended so as to provide the reduction in the maximum limit of pre-deposit appeal. Section 1112.8 has also been changed to reduce the maximum amount of pre-deposit that was required to be paid at the time of appeals to the appellate tribunals has been changed from existing 20% to 10%, and the maximum amount has been reduced from 50 crores to 20 crores. Benefit number 6. ITC for the tax. Benefit number 6. ITC on the taxes paid under Section 74 is blocked until financial year 23-24, and the Section 128 and 129 is not blocked at all. Now benefit number 7. Section 128A is being introduced to waive the interest and penalties for the taxpayers for which the financial year 17-18, 18-19 and 19-20 demand notices have been issued under Section 73. Thank you.